Is your app not updating on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to poor internet connection, syncing issues, or software glitches. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the app's not updating issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your same internet network on both devices like Watch and iPhone. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and turn off airplane mode. After that, try the following advanced solution. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General. Check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Check Automatic Updates settings. Go to the Settings again. Scroll down, tap on the App Store. Scroll down again. Now toggle on the Automatic Updates feature. Solution 3. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. This can sometimes resolve syncing issues that might prevent updates. And that's it. This is how you can solve the app's not updating issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.